two more patterns that are there in the Richard DeLacy's book that we are covering. Okay, Richard DeLacy says, like, as you're learning Hindi, you need to know some interrogatives, Hindi interrogatives. Okay, and 1 minute, and I'm gonna cover the interrogative that Professor Richard DeLacy is covering. Okay, and he says, like, you should be able to ask questions in the very beginning of your Hindi language journey. And he says, like, in Hindi, the very common interrogative is kya. You write it in Hindi half ka and then ya and a, kya, which means what. Okay, very common one, right? But he has a point, like, he has a point, like, as you're learning things, the natural tendency of a child is to inquire, and they will point finger and they'll say, what is this? What is this? Okay, what you already know is kya. Okay, this is yeh, and is an auxiliary verb in Hindi, which is basically hai. Okay, and as you know, the word order in Hindi is basically SOV, so you will say yeh kya hai. Yeh kya hai. You will write it in Devanagari as yeh kya hai. Yeh kya hai. Okay, very simple pattern, but it's a very simple one. It's a very important one. Yeh kya hai? What is this? Similarly, okay, if you have to say, what is that? Okay, you'll say vah kya hai. And as Anna mentioned, even though in formal Hindi you're writing yeh and vah, colloquially people will say ye and wo. It's the same thing. Just like, your day-to-day conversational Hindi, it's always takes over the academic one. Like what you're writing, it's important, but usually the day-to-day colloquial, somehow it takes precedence over the writing one, because that's what people are you're hearing it more and more, right? So yeh kya hai is what is this, vah kya hai is what is that. If I were to ask you yeh kya hai, how will you answer that? Yeh paper hai.
Yeah.
Okay, yeh paper hai. Show some object to me and use this pattern. Yeh paper hai. Yeh, I can say this thing to yeh pen hai. This is pen. Okay, what else? Yeh whiteboard hai. Very good. Yeh book hai or yeh pustak hai. Something that is close to the subject, you use yeh. Something is close to the person that you're speaking with, you will say vah. That, right? This versus that. Ye kya hai? Very good. Yeh eraser
Or
hai. Yeh and vah, like, same thing. If you are showing me and asking me wo kya hai, I'm going to say wo paper hai. Okay, that is a paper or that is a pen. Wo pen hai, wo whiteboard hai, wo book hai. If you are using this, just like in English, if you showing this, that's something that is near to you, near to the subject. Okay, when you're using that, is like far from the subject. Okay, far from the subject. That's what you have. With the next part, like, which is basically, what if I were to put kya in the beginning? So right now it's yeh. Let's say yeh kitab hai, which is book. This is a book. Yeh kitab hai. And now the question is, what if I were to put kya at the beginning? So if you were to say kya yeh kitab hai. So you had, the first question was, yeh kya hai, what is this? Somebody responded, yeh kitab hai. Is this a book? Very good. So when you put kya in the beginning, it is no longer what, it's really changing into a question, which is this a book? Is this a book? Okay. Kya ye kitab hai? Very good. Nahi, yeh kitab nahi hai, yeh paper hai. यह पेपर है. Okay, I'm gonna ask some more. क्या यह जिक्सॉ पजल है? हाँ जी, यह एक जिक्सॉ पजल है. In Hindi, you're using kya for what, as well as changing the thing into a question. In English, it's basically you using the to be form of the verb or the auxiliary verb to start the question, like is this a book, right? Versus in Hindi, yeah. So it's nothing but a book, but the other word is pustak. We have 4 minutes left. I'll stick around after the class as well, just so that I can answer any of the questions you may have. I have a couple of announcements to make, so give me 1 minute and I'm gonna go over it. So as I said, like, you know, the practice session that we have, it's for everyone. Who only requirement is, as long as you've at least come once in the Hindi class, you know, you are fine. You don't have to come in all the classes. This is just a way to make sure we know you. And while as much as I want to keep it open for the entire internet, some validation is important, right? And we want to make sure that there is a legitimate interest in learning Hindi, right? And that's why we don't keep it open. The purpose is pretty clear, like, you know, we don't share any other things, the Hindi learning stuff. So I'm going to share the link in the chat, so you know you can join the practice session. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to stop the broadcast. And same thing for everyone who's watching on Facebook Live as well. You're welcome to join the live class as well. So